Sarah loves to spend her afternoons there, soaking in the sun and the lively atmosphere. She and her friends often play frisbee, have impromptu dance parties, or simply lay on the grass, sharing dreams and aspirations for the future. One sunny afternoon, while they were at the park, Sarah had an idea. "What if we organize a mini talent show?" she suggested, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Mary and Alice immediately loved the idea, and they began brainstorming how to make it happen. They decided to invite their classmates and showcase their talents, whether it was singing, dancing, or even a magic trick. The thought of bringing everyone together filled Sarah with joy. As the days passed, they worked hard to prepare for the talent show. Sarah practiced her painting skills, creating a beautiful backdrop for the event. She also decided to showcase her own talent by performing a song she had been working on. With each practice session, her confidence grew, and she felt a sense of accomplishment. The day of the talent show arrived, and the park was buzzing with excitement. Colorful decorations adorned the trees, and a small stage was set up for the performers. Friends and family gathered, eager to support the young talents. Sarah felt a mix of nerves and exhilaration as she watched her friends take the stage, each one shining in their own way. When it was finally her turn, Sarah took a deep breath and stepped onto the stage. The crowd cheered, and she felt a wave of encouragement wash over her. As she began to sing, her voice filled the air, and she poured her heart into the performance. The joy of sharing her passion with others made her feel alive, and she could see her friends cheering her on from the front row. After the show, everyone celebrated with laughter, snacks, and music. Sarah felt a sense of fulfillment, knowing that they had created something special together. The talent show not only showcased their individual talents, but also strengthened their bond as friends. As the sun began to set, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, Sarah reflected on the day. She felt grateful for her supportive family, her wonderful friends, and the beautiful moments they shared. With a heart full of joy, she knew that these were the days she would cherish forever. And so, Sarah continued to embrace each day with enthusiasm, ready for whatever adventures awaited her in her joyful life.